Hebu nione kwa mkono wala anasema mko tayari, tuko tayari.
Ngahiha iria irahanikire muthenya wa ira kaunti-ini ya Busia kuria ngari cia munini wa mutongoria wa bururi President William Ruto iratharikirwo na mahiga nyuguto undu uria uguciriirie miario ya gukumithia giko giki na njira nene. Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini President Fred Matiang'i ni amenereirie giko giki na gukigweta ta giko kihituke ni mahinda guku agikira mukonde gikio ngono kwa andu atano.
By this morning when I spoke to the regional commissioner, we already had arrested 5 people related to that incident that involved the deputy president in Busia. And I have asked the security team there to look for everyone who was involved in that organization, even if they are political leaders, whether they are elected members of parliament or not, I don't care. Arrest them, we take them to court.
Ningi Matiang'i uria kwaragia ri kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua ni athite county commissioner wa Busia kururia guothe na gutigirira uthuthuria ni watafanio niguo gutigirira aria othe marakuruhanio na giko giki ni mang'ethanirwo nao kiwatho.
No one is allowed to disrupt meetings and we cannot allow those types of things to happen. Let us debate freely. You know, you don't need the government's permission to go anywhere in Kenya as long as you are a Kenyan citizen. We started like that in 2007 and you know where we ended. Safari hii, we will not wait and procrastinate. We will act with speed and family.
Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi President William Ruto ni akumithitie giko giki kia muthenya wa ira gikigweta ta njira imwe gicokia bururi na thutha kiuteti.
Hatutaki siasa ya chuki. Hatutaki ukabila. Hatutaki migawanyiko. Tunataka tuungane sisi wote kama watu wa Hustler Nation kutoka jamii zote ndio tuweze kukabiliana na changamoto ya ukosefu wa kazi.
Akiaria mwena wa Kiamba kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, Ruto ni ugite gutire mutetio wothe utetikiritio gukinya handu hothe bururi-ini undu rio nyititwo mbaru ni atongoria angi aria mamunyitaga mbaru.
Munakataa ukabila, munakataa kugawanywa, munakataa siasa ya chuki. Tuungane sisi wote kama Hustler Nation.
Allow me, Your Excellency, to also take this opportunity to strongly condemn the culture of political violence and thuggery that we have seen being imported by those whose synonyms are synonymous with only political violence.
Onake mutongoria wa kiama kia ANC Musalia Mudavadi ni akumithitie ciiko cia njukaniriro cia kiuteti akiuga bururi wa Kenya ni ukirite ikero cia njukaniriro ta ici.
The absence of tolerance can be extremely destructive. When people invest in impunity, when people invest in hooliganism, when people invest in intolerance, they are doing the country a great disservice.
We cannot go back to where we were as a country. We cannot go back to a place where I look at you not based on the content of your character but because of your last name.
Ningi Musalia ni ahoete ateti kurumia thayo kuria guothe mathie gwika kambeini ciao akiuga uteti utari kihariro waya nginyagia gutharario tonga wa bururi.
We will disrupt the economy. Munasema COVID may disrupt economy. It is true. But I can tell you violence can even be a bigger destruction of the economy.
Hadu ni Kameme TV ritwara kwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.
Somebody in the church who used to